All right. What we're going to do here is find the mean of absolute deviation. Your goal first is to find the mean. So we're going to add all these numbers up. 3 and 4, that's going to make 7 plus 7, that's 14. Plus 2, that's going to be 16, 25, 30, 35. So 35 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 divided by 7, that's going to make 5. Okay, so to find the mean of absolute deviation, first you have to find the absolute deviations. So the deviations from the mean. Okay, so how far is every number from 5? That's going to make a new set. So how far is this from 5? How far is this from 5? How far is that one from 5? Like that. And you're going to be left with these numbers. So now you have to find the mean of this, and that will be our mean of absolute deviation. So this will be 2 plus 1, that's going to be 3, 5, 8, 12. So it's going to be 12 divided by 7, and that's going to be our mean of the absolute deviations. So that's going to be 1, it's going to be 7, that's going to be 5, 0, it's going to be 7, it's going to be 49, it's going to be with 1, 0, and then that's going to be 1, that's going to be 7, that's going to be 3, 0, so we'll stop there. So for right now, we'll leave it at 1.71, and that's the mean of the absolute deviations. Here, we're going to find standard deviation. Now, these are the same numbers as above, so we already know the mean. The mean is 5. So here, you're not only going to find the how far these numbers are from 5, but then you're going to square the amount. So how far is 3 from 5? 2 squared, 4. Okay, 2 squared, 4, 3 squared, 9, 4 squared, 16, and then 0 and 0. So now we're going to add this up and find the standard deviation. So we're going to add this up. That's going to be 5. It's going to be 9. That's going to be 18 plus 28 and 34. So 34 divided by 7. 34 divided by 7 is going to be 4, 28, 6, 0. That's going to be 8, 56, 4. So 4.8 so far. That's going to add another 0, and that's going to be 5. So we'll stick with that, 4.85 right now. So 4.85 is going to be the variance. So what we found right now is the variance. We have to square root this, okay? So if we square root this, 4.85, and we square root it, it's going to give us 2.2. So the square root of this is 2.2, and there is our standard deviation. Well, what the number you have right here is the variance. So this is the standard deviation. Now I'm going to do box plot. First thing you have to do is put all the numbers in order. So it's going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, so the box plot, first thing you do is find the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be these two numbers. So I have to find the median of those two, which is 7.5. How did I get 7.5? I added and divided by 2. Then you have to do the median of the numbers on the left, which are these two. So I have to add these and divide by 2, which is going to give me 4. And then I'm going to add these and divide by 2, which will give me 8. And then I need the largest number, which is 8. And the smallest number, which is 1. So now I'm going to write all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the first line is going to be on 1. The second one's going to be on 4. Next one's going to be on 7.5. Then on 8, and then on 8 again. So the box plot is fully over here. And that's the way this box plot looks. Okay, so all the information is on the right, which would mean a negative skewed information. Now let's do another box plot. This time there's an odd amount of numbers. See, this thing focuses. There we go. So now we're gonna put all of these in order. There's a 2. There's a 3, a 3, a 3. There's gonna be a 4, a 5, a 7, a 9, and 9. So we gotta find the median of this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So the fifth number is gonna be in the center, which is this one. So that's gonna be 4. Then I have to find the median of the numbers on the left, which is gonna be 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 3. This one's gonna be 7 plus 9 divided by 2, which is gonna be 8. The largest number is 9. The smallest number is 2, and these are all the numbers we need. So we'll start on 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Smallest number is 2. Then first quartile is 3. Second quartile is 4. Third quartile is 8. And last quartile is 9. Do a box plot like this. Alright. It's pretty centered. This is more over here, so it's more positively skewed than negatively skewed. But pretty symmetric. Alright. Then we're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range of this data. I don't know why I chose so many, but that's fine. So, and we're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range standard deviation if you add 2 to every single number. So first we're going to put them in order, so the median and all that stuff is going to be pretty easy. 1, 2, 2, 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 6, and then 7. Okay, I think I got it all. Oh, and then 8. Alright, so now I have to find the mean, median, mode, and range. So let's find the mean. You add it up and divide by how many numbers there are. This is going to be 3, it's going to be 5, it's going to be 7, it's going to be 10, it's going to be 14, it's going to be 19, it's going to be 25, it's going to be 32, it's going to be 40. 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 40 divided by 10 is going to make 4. So our mean is 4. Then we find the median, which out of 10 numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be 3.5 is the median. I added them up and divided by 2, 3 and 4. Then I have to find the mode. That's going to be the 2, the number that you see the most. The range is from 1 to 8, so that's 7 is range. And the standard deviation, so we know the mean is 4, so how far is each number from 4, and we're going to square it. It's going to be 9, 4, 4, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, that's going to be 9, and that's going to be 16. So here, I'm going to find the mean of this, and then I'm going to square root it. So this is going to be 9 plus 4, that's 13, 17, that's going to be 21, 22, still 22, 23, 27, 36, 52. 52 divided by 10, 5.2. So So 5.2 is a standard deviation. Now, if I would have added everything by 2, the mean would have gone up by 2, so it would have been 6. The median would have gone up by 2, so it would have been 5.5. This paper lets me write this. The mode would have been 4. The range would have stayed the same, and the standard deviation would have stayed the same as well. So 5.2 as well. All right. Now let's do the mean, median, mode, and range of this data. So it's going to be 3, 9, well, let's actually put it in order first. So 2, 7, 2, 3. More than 1, 3. So it's going to be 2, 3, 3, another 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Okay, so here's our numbers. Let's find the mean. Add, so that's going to be 5, that's going to be 8, that's going to be 12, that's going to be 19, that's going to be 37, that's going to be 46, that's going to be 55, and that's going to be 64. 64 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I do this right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 64 divided by 9. Let me just double check my numbers here. 5, that'll make 8, plus 4, that'll make 12, 19. There's my wrong. See? Gotta find your mistakes, people. This is gonna make 27, 36, 45, and 54. There we go. 54 divided by 9, that makes 6. So our mean is 6. And then we have to find our median, which is going to be the 5th number. So it's 7. 7 is a median. The mode is going to be 9. And the range is going to be 7. And the standard deviation, I have to find every single number's difference from 6 and then square it. So that's going to be 16. That is going to be 9, 9, 4, 1, 4, 9, 9, 9. So we're going to add all these up. I'm going to get 9 times 5, that's 45, plus another 9, plus 16. So that's going to make 54 plus 16, and it's going to give me 70. And 70 divided by 9 is going to give us our standard, our variance. So 70 divided by 9 will give us 7 repeated forever. So it's going to give us 7, and then 7 keeps on going. So 7.7 is our variance. I'm going to square root it for our standard deviation. It's going to be 2.78, which we'll write 2.8. So 2.8 is our standard deviation. Now this is for the data. I haven't multiplied everything by 2. I want to know what would be the effect if I multiplied every single number by 2. That would multiply all these numbers by 2. So the mean would be 12. The median would be 14. The mode would be 18. Even the range would be affected. So this would make 14. And the standard deviation would be affected. So it would be 5.6. And that's it.